Hello everyone, we're here with another unboxing video. Today we have 2 boxes, so let's get going. Oh, we've got the latest in the Ice Chip series, a good easy reader, easy chapter book. The Adventures of Modern Art and DVD. New Magic Treehouse for those of you that enjoyed those. We have the French version of Super Dog. Forever Home. Looks like it is a graphic novel with a ghost element. The latest in the Beast Quest Easy Reader books. We have Zadie Smith's Intimations, sorry. A basketball You Choose book. Unplugged by Gordon Corman. Katie the Cat Sitter, looks like a graphic novel. Good Girl, Bad Girl. And the last one in the book is the Jacqueline Woodson, Before the Ever After. Alright, let's move on to the second box. It's a bit bigger. Alright, we've got some board books. My first book of numbers. My first book of feelings. Uh-oh. We've got a Pika Mood book. Looks pretty cute. Lots of flaps in it to enjoy. 1, 2, 3s of Thankfulness. We have a board book of Bubbles by Ben Clinton. The Narwhal and Jelly books by Ben Clinton. The Mysteries of the Universe. What a lovely cover. We got Sayadu Rob's latest in an audio book. For Justice, I believe that is a true story done as a graphic novel. Hidden Wonders book. I Love Cake Easy Reader. It seems like a lot of children's books in this one. Milo Imagines the World. My First Day. That's beautiful. Anonymous. Avocado asks, what am I? The Secret Fawn, lovely illustration on the cover. The Bird Atlas, everything you want to know about birds. We have another Beast Quest Easy Reader. And it looks like we're moving into some adult books. Here's first a DVD, The Marx Brothers. We have Shelter in Place. Julie Quinn's large print, The Duke and I. For those of you who enjoyed Bridgerton on Netflix. The Oak Papers. Oh, the latest Wind and Fire. Victoria Schwab's latest, Bridge of Souls. I believe it's part of a series. We have a large print for J.A. Jance. Let's see what's over here. Oh, we've been getting in Blue Flag, anime book for adults. We have the latest in Full Metal Alchemist. Cathedral of Bones for middle graders. Fox at Night Easy Reader. The Beekeeper's Daughter. I believe that's a very popular book. Route Secondaire, French book. The Coming of Neo-Feudalism. And our last one is Sparks Like Stars. So if you see anything you like, you can always contact the library and we can put it on reserve for you. Thank you. Bye.